Hey, what's up guys, this is Ayashik from blogdude.com, and in this video we'll see how to create an Amazon affiliate website. So most of you must be aware that there are many people who are earning thousands of dollars per month using these kind of websites. So it's obviously a good idea to know how to create this kind of website, how to operate and how to, import products and so on. And this website and this tutorial is gonna be super easy because we'll see how to create different products. If you have watched my other e-commerce websites like how to create an e-commerce website, then you will notice that we have to create a single product, we have to upload the image, we have to type in the description, and all such thing. If there is a variation, for example, if there are three different type of product, for example, we are selling a shirt and there are three different colors, then you have to create a variation. But here a very great thing about this tutorial is that you don't have to do that. You just have to import products from Amazon and you don't have to do anything. It will do everything for you. It will import the description, it will import the images, it will import everything, the variations, the price, and obviously you can edit everything according to you. So you will be saving a ton of time and a ton of your money. Okay, so that is very useful. And as I said, you can make a lot of money if you really do it sincerely and if you're really serious about it. Okay, so let's see the demo website which we have created so that you can have an idea of what we are going to create in this particular video. So as you can see over here, this is our home page, a very simple, very elegant, a simple, professional, and a very beautiful website. Okay, so as you can see, we have a top header, we also have this header, and then we have our menu bar over here, and this is the color combination which I have selected. I like it. You can have different color combination. Okay, I'll show you I'll show you a very important thing actually, which is CSS, how you play with CSS. That would help you in I would say every day. That would help you in everyday life. Okay, that is very important. For example, if you're using a free theme and that theme doesn't give you the ability to change the color of your header or to change your font or so on, then how could you do that? So I'll show you that. So that is very, very useful according to me. That has helped me a lot personally, and that would surely help you also. Okay, then here we have a slider. I have used Slider Revolution, which comes for free with the theme which we will be using. Okay, so that is very useful. Slider Revolution has sold, I think, more than 100,000 copies, and so that is a tremendous an excellent plugin which we'll be using for free. So that is awesome. And this is also very important because you can use Slider for different kind of website, whether you're creating a simple website, e-commerce website, or any kind of website. If you know how to create sliders using this particular plugin, that would really help you. Okay, now moving forward, we have different products over here. So first section, actually we have divided it into different sections. The first one is the featured products. So we have selected some products and we have made them as featured products so that we this becomes our featured products and we can sell them. Then we have latest shirts over here. All these things are imported from Amazon.in. You can import it from any Amazon website. Okay, so as you can see, the price is in the local currency, which is Indian rupees. Okay, similarly we have different sections with different products. I would suggest you guys to stick with a single niche. Don't try to build another Amazon, because it doesn't make any sense for anyone to come to your website to purchase the same product which is already available on Amazon. Okay, so basically just follow and focus on one single product or one single type of product. That would really help you. Also try to do some research, that would really help you, and also promote your product using the link which I'll show you how to use, the Amazon affiliate link, later in this video. So you can also type in some Facebook post. You can promote about your website on Twitter and so on. You can create a blog about your website and write a blog about a product and give that link below, which will have your affiliate link, and if someone purchases that product, you'll get a small commission. So that would really help you. Okay, so this was the home page. Let's see the category page. So this is the category page. This is how your category page would look like. Okay, a very simple and excellent theme and excellent design over here. And this is the single product, which is very useful. Again, as you can see over here, we have the main image, we have some more images, and we haven't uploaded, as I said you earlier, we don't have to upload any image. It is all automatically imported from Amazon. Okay, now we have our price over here, title, and so on. A short description is over here. And a great feature, if you have noticed on Amazon, is this frequently bought together. So they give you some more options, so you can select, deselect from here, and the price will change accordingly. Okay, so this option is very useful. This is also from Amazon, and they have, import this frequently bought together products also. Okay, now here, as you can see, there is Indian flag over here. This is basically because I'll be selling only in India, but if you plan and if you wish to sell in different and in multiple countries, you'll have different flags over here. And if it is available in India, it will show this green tick, and if it is not available in India, it will show a red tick, and if it is available in USA, it will show a green tick, and so on. You get it, what I'm trying to say. Now here, as you can see, there is a variation, a color variation and a size variation. Okay, so as we select the color and the size variation, the price changes. As you can see over here, we can add to cart to this product. We'll see that. Okay, now here is the description. As I said you earlier, you don't have to type anything. Everything is imported from Amazon. Obviously, you can edit this according to you. Here we have Amazon customer review. You can hide this section if you want. We have additional information, again imported from Amazon. We don't have to do anything. Again, we have this frequently bought together tab, which is very useful. Then we have some related products. Okay, now let's add this product to our cart, and let's check out and see what actually happens. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully added this product on our cart. Let's open our cart. So here we have this product in our cart, one quantity. You can increase or decrease the quantity from here. Okay, you can apply any coupon if you want. If you see my previous video, you'll get to know more about coupons and more in detail. This video is mainly concentrated on Amazon affiliate website, so we'll be dealing more about that and less about e-commerce and WooCommerce and so on. Okay, for that you can obviously watch other videos which I have created, the e-commerce videos and so on. Okay, then let's click on this proceed to checkout button. So as you can see, when we click on that, it has redirected us to Amazon, and when anyone clicks on this continue button, makes a payment, purchases this product, you'll get a great discount. Okay, you'll get on clothing, I guess you get around 10% discount. So I think that is really helpful. That would really help you. Okay, and there are different commission rate for different products. For electronics it is different, for different products it is different. So basically you get the idea of what we are going to create. This is very helpful. Even if you don't plan to create, even if you don't plan to build any this kind of website, I would still suggest you to watch this video. You could help someone else, or in future, if you could really use this thing to earn some extra money. Okay, so let's get started with this project. If you have been following my videos, you know that to create any kind of website, whether it be an e-commerce website, affiliate website, social networking website, a simple blog, or a business website, we need two basic things: a hosting plan and a domain name. Okay, so basically what is a domain name? So as you can see over here, it says woozone.neashake.com. So this is a domain name. Google.com is a domain name, YouTube.com is a domain name. So these are basically a domain name. Quite simple, everyone understands that. Okay, now what is a web host? Okay, or a hosting plan, whatever you call it. So basically, if you see this video, as you can see, this beautiful girl, this image is actually saved somewhere in a computer, not my computer, but somewhere online in some hard disk somewhere running in the world 24/7. Okay, so basically here is the logo, here is the image, all this code and something, all these things. So all these things are actually saved somewhere in some computer which is running 24/7. So that is basically a web host. So we have to purchase both a domain name and a web host, which is a compulsion. You cannot proceed without that. Okay, whether you create any kind of website, these are the two basic things which you need. Okay, so to do so and to get your domain name and your web host, what you can do, open a new tab, type in blog2.com/tmd. okay. Once you do so, you will be redirected to the TMD hosting plan. Basically, if you know, if you might obviously know that there are many different companies, many different companies in the market for web host. Okay, so if you're selecting one company, any company, web hosting company, it should really make sense. You should have a real reason behind that. So behind selecting that company, whether is it profitable, most importantly for us, or not. Okay, now let's scroll down. Here, as you can see, there are 3 different plans: summer cloud, rain cloud, storm cloud. So very important thing about this particular website and this particular plans, the cloud hosting plan, is that they give a very strong CPU to us. Okay, as you can see, this is 6 core, 6 GB RAM. This is very important. It increases the speed of your website. It loads your images faster. It loads your website faster. So that is very important. Okay, let's hide this message. Okay, so it says unlimited bandwidth. What does that mean? So there can be unlimited amount of data transfer in your website. For example, if you're creating a audio website or a video website where you can provide the feature of download to the user or to the customer. So what happens, they can download unlimited amount of data from your website, unlimited amount of audios or videos from your website, whereas most of the hosting providers give you a very limited bandwidth. Okay, and the most amazing thing about this company is that it provides an SSD space. What is an SSD or a SSD space? Let's search for that on Google. SSD versus HDD web hosting. So most of the companies out there will give you HDD hosting, and you might know that. Okay, so why do we need an SSD hosting? Okay, is it really important? What is the significance? Is there a significance difference, or it is all the same? So when we search on Google, as you can see, I'm on Google. I just selected the first result. As you can see over here, there is a tremendous speed difference between both this thing, between HDD hosting and SSD hosting. I know sometimes it is up to 20 times faster. So if you're purchasing an SSD web hosting plan, your website would be 20 times faster, which would indirectly or directly help you in gaining Google ranking. Google ranks those website higher, which loads faster. You might know that. Okay, so basically you can do your own research, and I am very much sure that you'll get to this conclusion. Okay, so we have SSD space, and that too unlimited SSD space. There are few companies in the market that do provide SSD space, but they are providing limited SSD space, and here we are getting unlimited SSD space, which is great. Okay, then the next thing is unlimited website hosting. So basically now today you're creating this Amazon affiliate website. Tomorrow you might need to create an e-commerce website or a blog or a simple business website. So what you can do, you don't have to purchase a web host again, because this hosting plan gives us unlimited web hosting. So then we can host all these different websites on this same plan. So we don't have to purchase a web host for different domains or different websites. This is also great. We also get a free domain, okay, which is awesome. It would domain name usually cost around 10 to 15 bucks, so we are saving that amount. We get premium support, cPanel, optimum cache, wildcard, SSL. If you see the demo website which I have created, there is an SSL certificate over here. This is very, very important, especially when you're creating an e-commerce website. You just cannot neglect that. Okay, so we are getting an SSL, and that too a wildcard SSL. Wildcard SSL basically means you can have more than one SSL certificates. For example, if I'm using this plan, I have my primary domain name is nayashek.com, but I have many different subdomains and different domains registered on the same web host, and I'm getting SSL certificate for many different domain names. Okay, and if I had to do that in market, for example, if I had to purchase an SSL certificate, it would cost you around $30 to $40 extra. So basically you are saving a lot of money over here. You get 3 times more performance as compared to these two plans. Okay, so there are many different options. You get spam experts option and so on, so you can make your own decision. I would recommend you to go with rain cloud or storm cloud. Don't go with summer cloud, because here you can host only one website. So if you want to create another website, you'll again have to purchase a web host. Okay, so that is not a good idea. I would recommend you to go with rain cloud or storm cloud according to your budget. Okay, so I'm using this storm cloud over here, so I'll sign up for storm cloud. So just click on this sign up button. Okay guys, once you do so, you will be redirected to this particular page. Now here is where you have to select your domain name. What is the domain name that you want for free? I would recommend you to do some research on how to select your domain name. There are many different good articles which I have read. You can search on Google, you'll get it easily. So first do some research on what kind of domain name you should get, then get your free domain name. So let's type in anything and let's proceed further. For example, nayashake1, because I already own nayashake.com, so I cannot put nayashake.com. Now I am putting a domain name nayashake1.com. Once you put in your free domain name over here, just click on proceed. Okay, once you do so, you will be redirected to this particular page, which will ask you for a few more things. This is the order form page. The first section contains the contact information. So basically you have to just give them your basic contact information, like your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and so on, your country, state. It's all up to you. Give it according to your personal details. Then we have the payment information. You have credit card, debit card, PayPal, so you can pay with anything. Under credit card, you can select either credit card or your debit card. Okay, if you want to make payment through PayPal, you can select PayPal from here. Okay, then here you have to select your data center location. If you click on this, you'll see multiple options over here, and what you have to do, you have to select the one which says nearest to you. So for me, Singapore shows that it is nearest to me, so I'll select that. That is more recommended. That would really help you. Now we have to select the billing cycle. By default 12 month is selected, and I also recommend 12-month cycle. That really makes our job much easier. We know every month, every year, this is the time which we have to renew our website, so that really makes our job easier. Don't go with lower plans, that is not recommended. Go with at least 12 months. You can go with 24, 36 months, that is fine, but go with at least 12 months. That would really make your job much easier. Domain privacy is not really recommended, so you can just turn it off, okay, just to save some more money. Now here it is the promo code option. Here you can type in NayarYT, which stands for Nayar YouTube, and click on this apply button. What this does is, as you can see, you can read this over here. This says this promo code gives you 7% off this purchase. So you're getting a 7% discount on your total amount. And if you might know that 7% is the highest discount that TMD offers. Okay, so that is awesome. You can use my coupon code to get some extra discount from here. Now just tick mark over here which says I agree to the TMD hosting services terms of services, and click on checkout. Once you click on that checkout button, you will receive an email from TMD hosting. This email is very, very important, guys, because it has some really important information like your FTP address, your website URL. That is not so important, but name servers and so on, your server IP, your password, your username, everything is over here. So this is very, very important. You can just forward this mail to different email address if you have multiple email addresses. Just to secure this information, you can also mark this mail as star, so that would really help you. You can also take a printout if you want. Okay, it's all up to you. Just take the decision what you feel is safer for you. Okay, now what we have to do, you'll see a control panel link over here. Just open that link in a new tab. By the way, that link is nothing but your domain name / cpanel. For example, my domain name is nayashake.com, so for me it is nayashake.com / cpanel. For you it would be your domain name .com / cpanel, obviously. Now from here again you can copy your username and password from that mail and just click on this login button. Okay guys, so this is the cPanel, the TMD hosting cPanel. Now what we have to do, just scroll down, okay, and under the Softaculous or app installer section, you'll see the first option is WordPress. Just click on that, because now we have to install WordPress on our website, because we have registered a domain name. Now it's time to install WordPress on that domain name. Okay guys, now click on this install now button. Okay, now from here select your domain name on which you want to install WordPress. For you it would be only one domain name, because this is the only domain name if you're starting it for the first time. I have multiple domain names, so I'll have to select one. And here in directory you will see WP is already written. Now what we have to do, just delete that WP and make sure this box is empty. There's nothing over here. Okay, now the next option is site setting, which has site name and site description. You can change it from here also, and we can change this thing later on, so it's not a big deal. You can leave this thing for now. And here is your username and password option. You can just just delete this admin and select a good username and password. Okay, don't keep just leave this add to admin and pass. That would increase the chances of your website getting hacked. Okay, so select any username and password of your choice. Okay, and after that you will see over here it says admin email address. Okay, so delete this email address and type in your own email address which you have access to. Okay, which the email address which you can log in, which you can compose email and so on, because all the important information about this website will now be sent on this particular email address. Okay, after you do so, just click on this install button. Okay, so WordPress is getting installed on your website. It will take few seconds, don't worry. Okay, as you can see guys, it took around 3, 4, 5 seconds maybe. Okay, now we have two different links over here. One is your website link and second is your administrative URL, which is nothing but your dashboard URL. Okay, so let's open your administrative URL in a new tab. And if you also notice guys, we have this SSL certificate already there for our website, which is awesome. I really like that. And we are already logged in. Okay, so you don't have to do any basic changes over there. Now we have installed WordPress on our website. Now let's first see how our website looks like. So let's open this in a new tab. So over here which says my blog, and you'll see this visit site. Open this link in a new tab. So as you can see guys, this is how our website looks like at present. Okay, but we want a website which would look something like this. Okay, so for that we need something called theme to beautify our website, and we also need a plugin, a WooZone plugin. That is name of the plugin, WooZone. Okay, so that plugin will enable us to import products from Amazon, and that is very useful plugin. Okay, so I have decided one thing, just to save some money from your side. Okay, you will save some money. Okay, so what you have to do, just open a new tab again and type in blog2.com/kingdom. Okay, it's simple, blog2.com/kingdom, and press enter. Obviously the links are also given in the video description below, obviously. Okay, so this link would redirect you to this particular page. Here you have Amazon Associate bundle pack. So why did I select this one? Because it has WooZone, which is the #1 plugin for Amazon affiliate website. It also has a theme over here. It is a bundle pack. So basically you have a theme, a plugin, both the things which we need. Okay, so basically by purchasing this, you are saving around $66, which is, I think, good. You're saving some money on your website. You also get many important plugins free with this particular package. For example, Visual Composer, which is the most sold item on Code Canyon or Theme Forest. Okay, which is basically the same thing. One sells theme, the other sells plugin. So that is the most sold plugin till date. And you also get Slider Revolution, which is by far the best plugin to create slides. Okay, so we get many different things from this. Now what you have to do, just click on this buy now button and purchase this bundle. Okay, So I have already done that, so I won't be doing that. Okay, once you do so, come back to your website. Okay, now here at the left hand side you will see two options, appearances and plugins. Okay, so hover appearances and click on this themes, because now we'll be installing our theme. Okay, now click on this add new button at the top. Okay, now click on this upload button, choose file. Okay, choose the file or your theme file. Okay, so basically this would look something like this: Kingdom Amazon Affiliate Web Theme. I'm using the 3.3.2 version, which is the latest version. Okay, now we have two different options, documentation and theme. Go to themes. Now here also we have two different options, unzipped and zipped. Now we have to open this zipped one. Okay, and here the first one is Kingdom. Now select that and click on open, and now click on install now. So basically our theme is getting installed. It would take around 1 minute or two. You can see the progress at the left corner, the bottom left corner, if you're using Chrome. Okay, so by the time our theme is getting installed, you guys can do few things. You can click on that subscribe button, the red subscribe button, so that would really, and also click on that bell icon. Now we have new bell icon that would keep you notified about my new videos, and I think that would really help you because I create some really useful websites. Okay, so I think that is a good reason to subscribe to my channel. You can also give a thumbs up to this video if you like it. If you don't like it, make sure you give a comment in the video section below, so that I know what was the problem which you didn't like about this website. Okay, if you have any queries, you can also leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you want to ask something, if you have some suggestions, for example, the Amazon affiliate website was requested by a few of my subscribers, so that's why I created this I'm creating this particular video. So if you guys also have some requests, you can also post that in the video section below. I also created a multi-vendor e-commerce website. I have created many different, especially on e-commerce website, I have created many videos, so you can also watch those on my channel. Okay, so our theme is taking some time. Now what I'll do, I won't bore you guys with all these lectures. Now I'll pause this video, and once the theme is installed, I'll continue. Okay guys, so our theme has successfully been installed. Now what you have to do, just click on this activate button to activate this theme on our website. Okay guys, so we have successfully activated the theme also. Now you get a message which says this theme recommends the following plugins. Now what you have to do, just click on this button which says, or this link which says begin installing plugins. Okay, now click tick mark over here. It would select all the plugins from here, and from bulk action select install and click on apply. So basically it will install all the plugins which are recommended by this theme. Okay, so as you can see, all the plugins are getting installed. All these plugins are very important ones. Okay, so just install everything, and now go to this click on this link which says return to required plugin installer. Now we have installed all the plugins. Now it's time to activate all of them. So again, tick mark over here, it will select all the plugins, and from bulk action click on activate and click on apply. Okay, so now it's activating all the plugins which we have just installed. Okay, so all the plugins are installed. Now what you have to do, we have to install the main plugin, the WooZone plugin, that would help us import products from Amazon. So here is the option which says plugin. Again, on the left hand side, just hover plugins and click on this add new button, because now we have to add a new plugin, the WooZone plugin, which is just downloaded from Theme Forest if you downloaded. Okay, now click on this upload plugin button and click on choose file. Now from here, okay, let's again see. Now here you'll see this option which says WooZone Amazon affiliate plugin. Just open that, go to plugin, and here is the plugin, the zip file. Okay, select this and click on open, click on install now. This would take very little time, so don't worry about that. Okay, so as you can see, our theme has been installed successfully. Now we'll get the option to activate the theme, obviously. Okay, here is the option. Now just click on this activate plugin button. Okay guys, so we have successfully installed and activated our plugin. Okay, as you can see over here, this is the WooZone plugin, the latest version. Now what you have to do, the first thing I would recommend is to run this, you'll get this option. Welcome to WooCommerce, you're almost ready to start selling. Okay, so just click on this, run this setup wizard. Or if you don't get that option, then what you can do is you can see the link over here. Okay, so after your domain name /wp-admin, you can type this /admin.php ? Page is equal to wc-setup. Okay, so take this, if you don't get that option, okay, then you can type in this link over here in the URL bar and you'll get this option. Okay, now click on this let's go button. Okay, so basically now this is the first option, the page setup option. WooCommerce will automatically create 4 different very important pages: shop page, cart page, checkout page, and my account page for you. So just click on this continue button. Okay, now here you have to select your store location. Okay, so basically you have to select the state. For example, I am in Maharashtra state, which is in India. Okay, so I'll select this one. Now from here you have to select the currency. So obviously I'm selecting INR, which is Indian rupee. Okay, as you can see over here. Now position of the currency, left, everything is fine over here. Now don't tick mark this thing. You won't be charging sales tax obviously, because everything is done through Amazon. Okay, if you do this, if you mess up something like this, your prices will increase and that is not a good idea. Okay, click on continue. Okay, now you can select your weight unit, dimension unit, whatever you like, gram, kilogram, pounds, centimeter, meter, whatever you like, and just click on continue. Okay, you don't have to do any of these because the user won't be making payment on our website. They will be making payment on Amazon. Okay, now click on continue. Okay guys, so we have successfully set up everything. Now don't create your first product. We don't need to create any product. At the bottom you'll see this link, return to WordPress dashboard. Just click on that. Okay guys, we are getting one error. Current memory limit is 40 MB. Okay, now we have to increase memory limit. Okay, so if you open this link, it would help you. Okay, so this is the code which we have to paste in our website. Okay, there is a file, WordPress config file, I guess. Okay, you have to paste this code over there. Okay, so just copy this code from here, and there are different ways of doing that. Okay, what we can do, we can do that through FileZilla, which I mostly recommend. Okay, if you don't know what this thing is, how to operate this thing, you can watch. There are many different videos on YouTube which will help you on how to set up your account, FTP account, and how to use FileZilla, which is very easy. You can easily do that. Okay, now here we have to search for the WordPress config file. First go to the website or the folder. So we are under kingdom.nayashik.com. So here is the kingdom.nayashik.com. Open this, and under this you will see wp-config.php. Now what you can do, okay, just select this file, drag it on your desktop. Okay, as you can see over here, desktop is selected. So that file will come to your desktop, and it has come to our desktop. It says transfer finished. Okay, now open this file. You can open this file through your notepad or something. I have installed Sublime Text, which is a text editor, free text editor, which is very good. So you can also install that to make some changes. You can use the notepad, which is by default present in your computer. Okay, so just open this file. Okay, as you can see, this is how your file would look like. Now over here you can actually paste it anywhere. Now what I'll do, I'll select this place and just paste that code. Okay, define whatever it is, WordPress limit, just paste that code and press Ctrl S to save the file, and instead of 96 just type in 128. Simple as that. Okay, again save this file, go to FileZilla, refresh from here, again take this file over here, overwrite, go back to your website, refresh, and everything should be fine now. Okay guys, as you can see, that error is gone. So that is how you do it. Okay, it says to install the theme. We have already installed a theme, and basically we have installed the same thing which these guys recommend. These guys also recommend the Kingdom theme, so we have installed that theme already. Now let's come back to our website and refresh and see how our website looks like right now. Oh yes, so as you can see, this is how our website looks like at present. Now there are many things which I'll need to change over here. Okay, first let's minimize this. Fine. If you see over here, our header is quite big. According to me, the header is very big. You can see from here our website starts from here. Okay, but here the website starts from here, which is just, the header is taking a lot of space over here. Now what you can do, you can go to customize. Here you'll get this customize option. Now through this option you'll get this customize option, whatever theme you're using. Okay, so basically this option gives you the ability to make changes in the design of your website. Okay, so here when we come over here, drag down, and the last option is additional CSS. Open that, and if you see there will be a link in the video description below. Go to that link and download the CSS file over there. Okay, so that would look something like this, and just copy all this code from here. Just select everything, copy it, and paste everything over here under additional CSS. And if you just see, when I paste this code, there will be some changes taking place over here. Okay, as you can see, this thing has shifted up, the font and everything has changed, but we'll see how to change the font. You don't have to do through this. You can just copy paste this code to change this thing, the size of this header. Okay, I have just decreased the size of the header because I thought it was taking a lot of space. Okay, now click on save and publish. Now if you see over here, the color combination over here is totally different and it looks super awesome. Okay, but here the color combination is not that good. Okay, so at the top, as you can see, the color is fine, dark gray color here also, but our social links have become gray and we cannot see them, and here we have those color as white color. So what you can do, and besides this social link, there is small pencil button. Just click on that. Okay, here go to text, and here you'll have different color options. Okay, so select the white color from here. Now as you can see, it has become white. Click on save and publish. Also, if you see, the header color is actually light silver. Let's see what color is this. So there is a very easy way to check what color exactly this is. Just bring your cursor over here, right click and click on inspect. Okay, and at the right side over here you'll get that color. Okay, here as you can see, this is the color. You also get this option over here which shows the color, so we can know what color this is. Okay, so just copy this code from here, which starts with hash. So it's hash ECEFF1, whatever it is. Come over here. Now select this section over here. Now because we have to change the color of this section, so select this pencil, go to background, select any color. As you can see, the color changes. Okay, so if you want this color, you can have this color, or if you want a custom color like we see over here, what you can do, click on over here, select color and paste in your code. Okay, so as you can see, now we have the color which I have used in my website. Okay, so basically we have seen how to do that. Now let's also see the color over here. If you saw, if you notice, the color of the search bar is also different. So again, just right click over here, click on inspect, and as you can see over here, the color code comes. So again, copy this color code, come over here, click on this pencil besides this search bar, and background color, just paste in this code, or you can select any color from here. As you can see, when I select different color, the color of this search bar changes. It's all up to you. Okay, I'm selecting this color. Also, the color of this thing is different. Okay, so this bar is different. The color of this bar is slightly lighter. So what I'll do, I'll inspect this thing also, and this is the color code over here. Just copy this, come back over here. Now select this pencil, background color, paste in that color, and here you have it. Okay, so this is how you do it. It is very easy. But if you see, the color of this icon is white, so let's make that white over here also. Okay, now go to text and select white color from here. Now as you can see, it has become white. Okay, so after doing all these changes, click on save and publish. Okay, now just click on this red cross button to cancel this. Okay, now click on this back button. Okay, now we have to select primary and secondary color. If you see, this red color is our primary color, and when we hover this, it is some weird purple color. I don't like these colors. Here I have different primary and secondary color. For example, this is my primary color, and this color over here, as you can see, is my secondary color, this color. Okay, so I want those colors to be there on my website. Okay, so what I'll do here, let's see, where is that option? First of all, I think it is under themes option. Okay, here we have the font changing. We'll see how to change all this font and so on. First, let's change the color. Okay, here it is, colors option. So click on colors. Okay, here we have this primary color and secondary color. Let's see what is this color. So again, click on this inspect button. Now here, as you can see, here is the color code. Now just copy this code from here, go over here. You can select any color from here according to your choice. I want this color, so I'll paste in that. And as you can see, the changes are taking place over here. Okay, let's also change the secondary color. Let's see what that color is. What is the color code for that? When you hover over this, here is the secondary color. Just click on this inspect button, and let's see where is that color. Here it is. As you can see, just copy this code, and as you can see, the primary color has changed. And when we hover here, we get this weird purple color, which we don't want. I want a beautiful secondary color. Okay, so let's paste that code over here. Okay, changes are taking place over here. And also, if you see, the background color, the menu background color is set to green. So basically, this is the menu background color. As you can see, this is the background color for our menu. So we also have to change this color. Okay, so again, come back to your website. Okay, let the changes take place. Now let's hover over this. Now as you can see, both the beautiful color are over here. Now let's also change the background color, menu background color, that is same as our primary color. So what I'll do, I'll copy the same color from here, go to menu background color and paste in that color. Okay, so that we don't have a menu, so we cannot see it right now. But if you paste that code, you'll have that color, background color for menu. Okay, click on save and publish. Now if you want to change this fonts from here, okay, as you can see, this font by default is some Rajdhani font. I don't know what font that is. Okay, but if you use my CSS code, you don't have to change your font. You have this beautiful font. But if you don't like this font also, you can change it from here. Go back, go to theme fonts over here. Okay, so it was theme fonts. I thought it was theme options or something. Okay, so first one is main font. Okay, so this is basically the main font. As you can see, this is not Rajdhani, this is sans serif. Okay, now you can select this. You can select any different font from here. You'll see the changes taking place over here. Okay, let's see. As you can see, the fonts have changed. Okay, so you can select any font from here according to your choice, whatever you like it. Okay, this is the heading font. You can change this font also from here. Okay, main menu font, here is the main menu font. Okay, you can select that also. You can change the size of this font. Okay, you can change the weight of the font. If you select lesser weight, it will become thinner. If you select more weight, it will become bolder. Okay, so basically that is what it is. Okay, so you know what I'm talking about. You can change the font, you can change the font size, font weight, and so on. After doing all these changes, just click on this save and publish, and I think we are done with these basic things. Now just click on this X button to exit this option, customize option. Okay, so this is how our website looks at present. Okay, now what we have to do before proceeding further, let's first create this slider. Okay, so this is very easy and very useful also. Okay, so again, come back to your dashboard, scroll down, and you'll see something called slider revolution. Here it is, just click on that. Now we'll be creating new slider for our website. Okay guys, now click on this new slider button over here to create a new slider. Okay, so the images which I have used over here, there are 3 images. I have given that on my website. As I said you earlier, you will find a link in the video description below. On that link, you will find all the images, the CSS code, whatever I have used on this particular video or this particular website. Okay, so let's see what all option we have. First is the content source. So make sure default slider is selected. Now you have to give it any title or shortcode. You can give it anything. For example, let's put slider 1, as you can see here, and here also just put in slider 1. Okay, now here you have different options: standard slider, hero slider, carousel slider. Make this to standard slider. Now this is a very important step, the 4th one. At present, by default, auto is selected. We have to select full width. Okay, as you can see in the demo website, this slider is a full width slider. Okay, so we have to select full width, and we have some dimensions over here. What I have made is 700 pixels over here. Okay, so for my demo website, it is 1240 by 700 pixels. You can have the default settings. You can change the size. If you want a bigger slider, you can increase the size from 700 to 800 maybe. If you want a smaller slider in terms of height, you can decrease the height from here. Okay, now rest everything should be fine. Okay, and also as you can see, we have these arrows over here, that helps us to go to different slider, and we also have these navigation dots at the bottom. So if you want this, there is an option over here, navigation. Okay, enable arrows, just make this yes. Then you have bullets, enable bullets, make them yes. Okay, fine. Click on save changes. It will save all the settings. Okay, now we have to create these slides. We have 3 different slides, and as you can see, there are some animation under this. So let's start creating this one. This is the first slide. Which one? This is the first slide, I guess, this one. So let's create this slide first. Okay guys, so this is how it should look like at present. Now as you can see, there is an image in the background, and as I said you earlier, I have given this image in the link in the video description below. You'll find a link. You'll find all the images and CSS code over there. Okay, so what you have to do, the first option under main background, you'll see, just tick mark this option, main background image. Go to media library, under upload image, click on select files, and let's see where that file is. Okay, so many folders over here. Okay, here it is. So this is the image. Select that, click on open, click on insert. Okay, as you can see, we have this beautiful image over here, and there are this lines over here. So make sure everything you put are under these 2 lines, green lines. Okay, these 2 green lines. Now let's see what we have next. So as you can see, we have a title which says the best offers, and then it says check out our latest products. So let's do that. So to enter anything, whether text, to insert any image, to insert a button, whatever it is, here there is an option which says add layer. So when you hover that, you'll see different options. Now what we have to do, we have to add a text. So select the first one, text or HTML. Now let's select. So as you can see here, it says the best and then it says offers. So let's type the best over here. So just type in the best. Okay, as you can see, here is your text. Just click on OK. Now we have to increase the size of the text obviously, so let's make it 70. Okay, 70 looks fine. So this was font size. Now another one over here is font height. Make this also 70. Okay, then we have font weight. Okay, so you can have, if you select 800, it will become very bold. If you select 600, it will become medium. Okay, accordingly you can select that option. Okay, you can also select change the font from here. At present it is set to Open Sans by default. You can change the font from here. Let's see how to change the font. Let's set to Georgia. As you can see, the font has changed. Okay, there are many different fonts. You can select any font you like. Okay, so let's select something like let's select this one. Not that good. I like the default one. Okay, so let's select that, Open Sans, the default one. But you have different fonts. You can select any one of those. The color is white, which is fine. If you want to change the color, here is the option to change the color. Okay, now let's drag this thing over here. As you can see, it is at the bottom. Now the next thing is offers. Okay, now let's click on this add layer. Again, select the text and it is offers. Okay, so just type in offers over here. Fine, click on this OK button, drag this offers over here. Okay, also increase the size for this one. Let's make it to 60 pixels maybe. Font weight and font height 60 pixels. Font weight is 400, fine, or maybe let's make it 600. Okay, and let's make the upper one 800. Okay, select the upper one, select 800. This looks fine. Now we want same width for both the fonts. So what we can do here is the option. Okay, so what you can do, you can increase the letter spacing. So at present it is set to 0. Let's make it 5 and see the changes. Okay, so as you can see, the spacing between the letters have increased. We want more spacing, so let's set this to 8 maybe. Okay, let's set this to 10 and see. We want the same size for both the fonts, and now this looks much better. Okay, so this says the best offers, whatever it says. Okay, the next option is this line. Okay, as you can see, this colorful line. So that is basically an image. I have given that image also. So what you can do, hover over this and select image, upload files, select files. Here is the image, the line. Click on open. Now click on insert. Where is that? Here it is. Just drag this thing down. Make this thing up, drag this thing up. Okay, get all these color options so that you can align this carefully. Now the next and the last thing is check out our latest product. So let's type that again, add layer, text, type in anything you want. So let's type in check out our latest products. Fine, click on OK. Drag this thing over here at the bottom. Fine. Okay, so basically we have the image, we have all the text over here. This is basically a very simple slider. I have used slider revolution in my different videos. If you want more sophisticated, more better slider, then you can go and visit those sites, see those videos, and you can just see the slider section of that video, because below every video there is a description and you'll see all the timings. Slider creating slider starts from this time till this time, so you can watch that portion of that video. Okay, now let's add some animation to these particular things. Okay, so to do so, what you can do, just select the first one and go to animation. Here it is. Okay, Now by default it is fade in. As you can see, it is fading in. You can see the animation. Now we have to change this. Okay, so basically the idea is the one which is at the top, it comes from bottom, and the one which is at the bottom comes from top. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's select this one. Which one? Let's select slide mask from bottom. Okay, when you select that animation, now you'll see that animation. As you can see, the one which is at the top is coming from bottom. Okay, now select the bottom one, and for this we'll make slide mask from top. Okay, so as you can see, it is coming from top. Now select this line. Now I want this line to come from left hand side. So let's select something like smooth mask from left. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, this looks fine. Now select this last line, go to animations, and you can select anything obviously. Let's select this one, randoms, rotate and sail. Okay, so it looks fine. Okay, you can have any animation you want. After you're done, just click on save settings over here, save slide. Okay, so basically you have created the first slide. Similarly, you can create different slides. Basically all the slides are same. Okay, so it's doesn't make any sense making the same slides again and again. If you want to create a new slide, just click on over here and again do the same settings. Okay, so I won't be doing that, just to save some time of both mine and yours. Okay, so basically we have created a slider. Now what we have to do, we have to add this slider on our home page, but we haven't created a home page. So let's do that. Come back to your dashboard. At the top you'll see something called pages. Where is that? Here it is at the left hand side. Hover pages and click on add new. So basically now we'll be adding a home page. So let's do that. Okay, here the first option is enter title. Here let's put in the title as home page, because this is our home page. You can put in any title obviously. Okay, so we have created a page, home page. Now let's add this slider. Okay, so at the bottom you'll see this page post slider option, and select slider. At present no slider is selected. Select that and select the slider which you created, slider 1, and select no from here, show title. Okay, we don't want to show the title. Now click on publish. Okay, open this page in a new tab to see how this page looks like. Yes, so as you can see, this is how our page looks like at present. But if you see over here, it says kingdom.com/blah blah blah /homepage. We should not see homepage. And let's click on this button, this icon logo. And as you can see, this is our homepage and this is not our homepage. Okay, so what you have to do, we have to set this page which we have created as our homepage. So to do so, there are different ways of doing. The easiest one is through your dashboard. Okay, so come back to your dashboard, and at the left hand side you will see this setting option, and under setting option you will see the reading option. Okay, so click on reading. Okay, the first option is the front page displays. At present by default it is set to your latest post. Now select a static page, and from front page select the home page which you created. This is the page which we have created, the home page. Click on save changes. Now come back to your website, refresh, and now we should see the home page over here. Okay, as you can see guys, when we refreshed we can see the home page over here. So this looks fine now. Okay guys, now let's start doing the most important thing, which is to create these products, which is to see how to import products from Amazon and so on. Okay, so come back to your dashboard. Okay, at the bottom you'll see this WooZone Plugin. Okay, just click on that. Okay, so first it will ask you for a purchase code. Unless and until you give this purchase code, you won't be able to continue. Okay, that does make sense. So what you'll do, you have to get the purchase code. You'll see that purchase code in the theme file, or if you don't find that, don't worry, just message the theme creator from whom you purchase. They will give you the purchase code easily. Okay, so I'll put in my purchase code over here so that I can activate it. So just paste in your purchase code and click on activate now. Okay, so it has refreshed and it has successfully activated my plugin. So when you activate your plugin, you will get this setup wizard. Okay, so make sure you purchase the plugin. You just don't download it from any different source. There are many different sources to download, but that is very dangerous. That they can write some code on your website, and that would really destroy your website. It would spam your website. It can add different ad pop-ups on your website. So whenever you click anywhere in your website, a new ad will pop up, which is really bizarre. That is terrible. Okay, so I would recommend you guys to purchase it from Theme Forest, the most safest thing. Okay, now just click on this get started button. Okay, so now it will ask you some questions. What kind of site is this? It is a blog, online store, personal website, or other. It is an online store, so select online store, click on next. Okay, what is the state of the website? Is it a fresh install or already have some content? It is a fresh install, so select fresh install and click on next. What is the purpose of you want to use WooZone? Okay, why do you want to use I already have a website. I want to earn some easy money from affiliation. I am creating a new website with sole purpose of having a store featuring Amazon product. I already have a web store, and whatever the reason is for us, this is the second reason. We are creating a new website with the sole purpose of having a store featuring Amazon products. Okay, so select the second one, click on next. Okay, now here make sure everything from here is selected. Again, click on next. Okay, from here price setup, make sure Amazon or other seller are selected. Also import product from merchant, make sure Amazon and other seller are selected. Okay, import as publish. Okay, if you import as publish, all the product which you import will be published. If you import them as draft, they will be imported as draft, and you will have to publish each product individually. So I'll select the publish option. This one says import product with zero price, product which says zero price on Amazon. Do you want to import them? So we haven't selected this, we haven't tick marked this. I don't think there is any product, I don't know. Okay, so import attributes, make sure this is tick mark, very important. Okay, now click on next. Okay, number of images, make sure it is set to yes, set to all, because we want to import all the images. Variations, make sure it is set to all. If it is not, you can just drag this thing to the extreme right side and it will say yes over here. Okay, so it will import all the variations. Okay, if you want to spin on import, you can make this thing tick this thing. Now click on next. Okay, now checkout message, you can change this message from here if you want. I don't recommend that, but obviously you can do so if you want. Redirect in, I want to redirect in 1 second, so I'll decrease the timing from 3 seconds to 1 second over here. Okay, buy button, contact, custom text. So basically our buy button says buy on Amazon. So if you want to have a different button text, for example, if you want to have just buy now, you can type in buy now over here. Okay, so now next option is buy button opens in. So basically when someone clicks on that buy now button, should it open on the same tab or a new tab, you can select that. Okay, and now click on next. Okay, now the following fields are required in order. Now we need an access ID key, secret access key, and your affiliate ID. This is very important. Now what you have to do, open a new tab and go to affiliate dash, I think some, okay, affiliate dash program.amazon.in or .com, whatever you're using. Okay, it is affiliate dash program.amazon.in, and if you have not yet signed up for the affiliate program for Amazon, you can do so, which is very easy. I have already done that, so I'll click on login over here. Okay, click on login again. Now let's see what all things are required over here. Okay, so access key, secret key, and affiliate ID. Okay, so first I'll need my affiliate ID. So at the top over here, as you can see, this is the affiliate ID of yours. So just click on copy this code from here and paste in over here under your country link. So basically this I have signed up with India Amazon, which is amazon.in. You can sign up for different Amazon. For example, I can also sign up with amazon.com and amazon whatever Amazon, different Amazon in different countries. Okay, you can sign up for one country, sign up for different countries. So I have signed up only for India Amazon. So I have my ID over here. So just paste in your ID under your country flag. Now we need this thing. Okay, access key ID and secret access key. Where will we find this? Here you'll see different option. Here which says tool, however tools, and go to product advertising API. Now here you have different options. Just go to manage credentials. I am already logged in. If you're not signed in, you can create a different account. Okay, basically when you create a affiliate account, you also have this account inbuilt. Okay, but if you want to use a different email address, you can do so. I don't know why would you do that, but you can do so. Just click on sign in. Okay, now here what you have to do, click on this continue to security credentials. Now here it is access key and secret access key. This is what we want. So click on over here. Okay, so I have a access key and secret, whatever it is. But what I'll do, I'll delete this just to show you guys how to get a new one. Okay, so I have deleted this. Now click on this button which says create new access key. Okay, and now click on this link which says show access key. Now here you have your access key ID, access secret access, whatever it is. Now just copy the first one, which is the access key ID. Go to your page, paste it over here. Okay, now copy the second one, secret key. Again come back over here, paste it over here. Now when we scroll down, we see this option main affiliate ID. So my main affiliate ID, if you have different affiliate ID, this applies over there. So I'll select India, my country. A request type, make sure it is auto detect. Import location, I'll import only from amazon.in. So I'll select only India. Now before clicking on this finish button, click on this button, check Amazon AWS keys. Okay, so it will check your keys over here. It is checking your keys. Okay, so it says fine, everything is okay. Now you can click on this finish button. Okay, so we have done this setup totally for WooZone setup. Now click on this close button. So basically most of our work is done, believe it or not, but most of our work is done. So once you activate your theme by entering your purchase code, you'll see something like this, Now what you have to do, we have to click on something called, where is it? Okay, here it is. It says insane import mode. Okay, just click on that, insane import mode, whatever it is. Okay, now from here we have to import the product. Okay, so there are many different options. One is through keyword. Okay, before that we'll have to create a few categories, so let's do that. Okay, just hover over here at the left hand side, you'll see these products, hover products, and you'll see these categories. Let's open these categories in a new tab so that we don't have to come back over here again and again. And let's create these 4 categories: jeans, shirts, shoes, and sunglasses. Let's create the first one, shirts. Just type in the name of the category and click on add new category, and it's done. You have created a category. It's that easy. Just create the next one, jeans. Add new category. Now we have sunglasses. Click on add new category, and the last one is shoes. Okay, so just click on add new category. So we have 4 different categories. Why did we create different categories? Because we don't want Amazon's category. See, Amazon has tons and tons of categories, so we don't want to import their category. Or if you want, you can import their category. It's all up to you. I don't want to do that. I want my own limited categories. Okay, so that would because I want very few products. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this. Now again come back to this insane mode, import whatever it is. Now there are two basic options on how you can import the product. One is through keyword and the second one is through categories. Okay, so I basically prefer the categories one. The second one is the categories one. Now first we'll import shirts. Okay, so obviously shirts comes under apparel category, so I'll select apparel. Okay, now I get more options. Now let's select the second option. So what kind of thing you want? So I want category, everything that comes under apparel category. Now we get more options. Now let's select this. So we want women, men, girls, boys, baby. So I want men. Now we get some more options. Now select this one. Now we have shirts, jeans, sunglasses, shorts, whatever it is. We want shirts. So select shirts from here. Again, few more options. Casual or formal. I want casual shirts. I'm sorry. Okay, now you can select some specific brand, specific manufacturer, and so on. You can select your maximum price, minimum price. Okay, now here I want to import from first 2 pages of Amazon, so I'm selecting first 2 pages. Okay, so after doing all these things, just click on launch search. Okay guys, so it is complete, and as you can see we get different options over here. There are different products. Okay, so you can tick mark. If you don't want any product from here, you can just untick that product. Okay, and rest, if whatever you want, you can just tick mark that product. So I want all these products. Now let's scroll down, and here we have different options. Number of images, we want all the images to be imported. Variants, we want all the variants to be imported. And here is the category option. Just select this. If you want to use categories from Amazon, make this use category from Amazon. I want my own category, shirts, so I'll select this one. I'll just untick this spin on import attributes. I will tick this thing, do it now. Yes, I want to do it now. Okay, so once you do everything, just click on over here which says import products. So basically now it has started importing all our products. It will take a minute or two maybe, or maybe less than that. Okay, so let's see. We are importing first 2 pages. Okay, first 2 pages of men casual shirts. Okay guys, so as you can see, it took 44 seconds to import. Now just click on this close box, and all our products has been imported. Now let's see whether it has really been imported or not. So for that we'll create a menu. Okay, because we don't still have our menu. It is without menu, which looks really bad. So again, come back to your website, and here at the left hand side you'll see something called appearances. However, that you'll see menus. Okay, click on menus. Now we'll create our menu. Okay, so we haven't created any menu, so just type in any menu name. For example, mostly I type in main menu, so just type in main menu, click on create menu. Okay, now whatever you want from here, so I want all the categories. So if you select this category, you don't get any option, because these are post categories. We want product categories. Okay, so at the top you'll see this option which says screen options. Select that. You have this product category, so here tick mark that, minimize this. Now we should see that here it is, product categories. Now go to view all. We want all these categories on our page, on our menu bar. So click on add to menu, and we also want this thing, home page. Okay, the home one. So what you can do, we can just add the home page also. Select this home page, click on add to menu. Okay, we want our home page at the top obviously, and we want to change this name from home page to just home. So just type in home. Okay, once everything is done, make sure to tick mark this which says main navigation, and click on save menu. Fine, now go back to your website, refresh, and let's see whether the changes have taken place or not. Whereas as you can see, the changes have taken place. So this looks really awesome. We just imported shirts. So let's click on shirt and see whether we have any product over here or not. Okay guys, so this is awesome. Without creating any product, we have so many different products. Okay, we just imported these products. This is awesome. This is really amazing. Now you can just do whatever you want to do. You can just click on select options. You can click on add to cart. You can check out through this website and everything. Okay, so this is how easy it is. Okay, now let's import some few categories, more categories. So it is under apparel category, men, shirts. So instead of shirts, now let's select jeans. Okay, now we don't want any particular brand. If you want any particular brand, you can search for that particular brand. If you want any particular specific manufacturer, you can select that manufacturer. Maximum minimum price, obviously. Again, I want the first two pages, so select the first two pages, click on launch search. We have all the jeans over here. Okay, I want all of them. Okay, so again, coming back over here, now I'll select the jeans category from here. Rest everything will be fine. Click on import products. Now all the products will automatically be imported, and not only that, they all will be sent to and attached to my jeans category. Okay, so as you can see, when I clicked on shirts category, all the products were there. Okay, done. Close box. Come back to your website, click on jeans, and we should see few products over here also. Okay guys, as you can see, this is awesome. I think I just selected the first page, that's why it's showing search. That's why it's showing so many so less products. You can select anything over here. Okay, now let's select shoes. Okay, it should show us empty. That's why, because we haven't imported shoes. So let's do that. Okay, but before shoes, let's import sunglasses because it is under the same category, apparel. Okay, let's see where it is. Sunglasses, here it is. Sunglasses and spectacle frames, whatever it is. First two pages, yeah, we want the first two pages. Click on launch search. Okay, I want all of them. Okay, and I want them in sunglasses category. Okay, click on import products. So again, it is importing around 20 products, and as you can see the progress over here, 5 products has been imported, and the images, around 128 images are being imported, and 29 variations are getting imported. So this is really crazy. You don't have to do anything. Everything is done by this particular plugin, and that too at such a great speed. Okay, so we have done that. Now let's import the last category, which is shoes, which will come under shoes category. So instead of apparels, we'll select shoes from here, and from here we'll select men's shoes. And I'm not any anti-feminist or so, I'm just selecting men's, so don't get me wrong guys. Okay, where is it? We don't have casual. Oh, here it is. Okay, and we want sneakers, so let's search for sneakers. Okay, again, you can have your brand, whatever you want. Click on launch search. I know most of you guys would be imagining, man, this is so easy. Exactly guys, this is really easy. If you know how everything, it is really easy. You can just go ahead and start doing whatever I'm showing you over here. Okay, and here are the different products over here. Again, now instead of sunglasses, we'll have shoes. Rest everything should be fine. Click on import product to start importing, and this is more crazy. We are importing 342 images, 212 variations, around 20 products. So basically, maybe shoes has a maybe a lot of variations. I think it is also showing you some speed or something. 17 products per minute. Okay, I think that is what it stands for, per ppm. Okay, so it is showing 34 seconds have gone, more 20 seconds, 25 seconds left. Okay, I was just saying the opposite. Okay, so everything is getting installed, everything is getting imported. Let's wait. If you guys have any doubt, any queries, you can obviously leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll try to help you guys. Okay, click on this close button, come back to this website, refresh, and we should see some shoes over here, hopefully. Okay guys, so we can see some products over here, which means we are successful. I recommend using the same theme. This is the theme created by the same guys who created WooZone. So that really helps. And if you use some other theme, you might run up into some error or something. So that would be not that good. Okay, so we have our products over here. Now let's come back to our home page and let's see how it looks like. Okay, as you can see guys, this is how our home page looks like. Now let's add these things, these sections over here. Okay, the featured product, latest shirt, jeans, and so on. So before adding these sections, we first have to set some products as featured products, which is very easy. Again, come back to your website, the dashboard, click on these products over here. Okay, so beside every product you'll see this star mark. Okay, so when you click on this star mark, it will make this product as featured product. So let's select few products from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we have selected 7 different products. Let it reload, and after that we should see star marked on 7 products. Okay, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 6. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, so we have marked. This is how you make any product a featured product. Really easy, I know that. Okay, now come back to your website. Okay, now we have to add these sections over here. So what you can do here at the top, you'll get this option, edit page. Now open this link in a new tab. Okay, let's cut this thing. Also cut this thing. Okay guys, as I said you earlier, we get Visual Composer free with this particular package, which is really awesome, because if we didn't had this, we would have to add some short codes which are not that great. Today no one creates a website using shortcode, I guess. So just click on this backend editor and you'll see how easy it is to do all these things. Now click on this add element and search for title. Okay, and okay, not title, maybe. Let's see what we have to search. Let's see. Okay, heading. Okay, so we have to select this kingdom heading. If you don't find it, just search over your heading and you'll see this kingdom heading over here. Just select that kingdom heading, and let's see, here it is featured product. The heading is featured products. Okay, so your heading goes over here. Type in your heading over here, click on save changes. Okay, now we have all the products which come under featured. Okay, so let's add that. Again, click on this plus button to add new element and search for featured. Here it is, featured products. Just select this. Now how many products do we want to show? 12 products, 8 products. So let's say we want to show 8 products. How many columns? As you can see here, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So we want 4 columns. Okay, now click on save changes. Okay, now what I'll do, instead of creating everything again and again, you can just copy this thing and change something from here. Okay, so that is also a way, but I won't do that. I'll just delete this. So we have done this thing. Okay, now let's add this section which says latest shirts. Okay, again come back to this page, click on this plus button, search for heading. Okay, now select kingdom headline. Okay, type in the heading you want, latest shirt for us. Again click on this plus button and now search for products. Okay, now no products. I think we'll have to search for categories. Okay, so there are 2 different options over here. First one is product category, second one is product categories. Okay, so we have to select the first one, product category, because we want to show different products from same category. If you select product categories, it would just show you different categories which we have created. Okay, so select product category, not categories. Okay, now here again, how many per pages you want per product per page, how many columns, same thing, and select the category. So we want the shirt category. Okay, click on save. Now what you can do, we can copy this thing. So just click on this, clone this row. So we don't have to create everything, we just have to make some minor changes. For example, changing the title. The next one is latest jeans, so let's change this title from latest shirt to latest jeans, and also change the product category type. Okay, from instead of shirt, let's make this jeans, click on save changes. Again clone this section, again edit the title, and now let's make it latest shoes. Okay, fine. Now let's also change the category to shoes instead of jeans or whatever you have. Again clone this or copy this thing, again change the title to latest sunglasses. Save changes, again change the category to sunglasses. Okay, click on save changes, click on update, and come back to your website where okay, this is the one, and refresh, and we should see all the changes over here, hopefully. Okay, let's scroll down and see whether the changes have taken place or not. So as you can see guys, the first one is the featured products. We can see featured products. The second one is latest shirts, latest jeans, latest shoes, latest sunglasses. Everything is working fine. Okay, now we don't want anything in the footer over here. So what I'll do, I'll delete all the thing over here. I don't want that. If you want, you can have it. I don't want that. I simply don't want that. I don't like it. I want to make my website very simple, and only important things should be over here. Okay, so I don't want the footer over here. So what you will do, come back to your website, hover appearances, and you'll see widgets over here. Click on widgets. Okay, now here you'll see footer content. Now one by one, just delete everything. Okay, just delete all the categories over here. Whatever you see, just now again come back to your website, refresh, and we should be, we should get rid of that footer category. Let's scroll down, and as you can see, we don't have any footer over here. But here, as you can see, it says copyright 2017 Kingdom created by AA theme. I don't want this. I want my name over here, or maybe you don't want anything over here. Okay, so let's see how to do that. Okay, so for that, again click on this customize button at the top. Okay, now from here select this option which says footer options. Okay, now let's scroll down first of all. Okay, and for here you have different options over here. PayPal URL, Amazon URL, so you can change your URL from here. Okay, you have different options, PayPal, Amazon, whatever it is. Okay, and if you don't want to show this thing in the future, you can just select this to no. Okay, and if you don't want to link, you want maybe you want these logos but you don't want to link it to anywhere, so what you can do, put a hash everywhere. Okay, under all the URLs, just put a hash. So what it will have these logos over here which looks good, which looks great, and it won't redirect you anywhere. It will just make you on your own website. Okay, now here is the footer text, the copyright text which we have to change. Now let's first get this thing or website reloaded. Okay, so it is just loading. Okay, fine. So here, as you can see, I don't want Kingdom over here. I want my site name. For example, my store name is BlogTude. Okay, so I'll just type in BlogTude over here instead of Kingdom. And as you can see, changes are taking place over here. Okay, as you can see guys, now I have BlogTude over here, and I don't want this created by AA theme. I want created by Nayyar Sheikh, and when anyone clicks on Nayyar Sheikh, they should be redirected to my YouTube account or my YouTube page, and I don't want this powered by WooCommerce. Okay, so what I'll do, first delete this line which says powered by WooCommerce. Then what I'll do, I'll change created by AA theme. So here it is AA themes. I'll just select this AA theme. Actually it is, I thought it is AA themes, and I'll type in my name, Nayyar Sheikh. So it would be created by Nayyar Sheikh. Okay, and I'll also change this link. So everything that comes under this is the link. So let's delete this, and you can put in any link. So I'm just putting a hash over here. After doing all these changes, just click on save and publish. Okay, it is still loading. Okay guys, as you can see, all the changes have taken place successfully. Now you can just click on this X button to just exit from this customizer. Okay guys, so basically I think we have created everything. Let's see whether everything works fine or not. Okay, so let's add some product in our cart, and let's do a checkout. Okay, so let's add this product. Okay, as you can see guys, all the title, the amount, everything is imported from Amazon. Okay, and we have our category over here. We have some options over here. Size, now let's select, I don't know my size, I think it's 7. Okay, so, and also we have this description. Okay, all these options, combo option, customer review, additional information, whatever it is. And then we have this add to cart. So let's add this product to our cart. Okay, so it says it has been successfully added to your cart, and as you can see, we can see one item on our cart. So let's do a checkout. Okay, so click on your cart. Okay, here is the product, 595 rupees. Okay, now let's click on this proceed to checkout button, and we should be redirected to Amazon. Okay, it is redirecting us to Amazon. And also, if you see over here at the top in the URL, here is my ID, the affiliate ID, which means that this thing is working, and when anyone makes any payment from your purchases, buys anything from here, I'll get a great commission from that. So you can earn a good amount of money through running an Amazon affiliate website. Okay guys, so this is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. This is not the end. I may be making a few more videos in future. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comment section below, wherein I may, if you guys are interested, only then I'll make those videos showing you how you can really different strategies that you can apply to become successful in this particular business, because there are many different strategies. For example, someone creates a blog and they promote their product on their blog, and I'll show you everything about that. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comment section below. But now this is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys have liked it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I really make some useful stuff. For example, as I said, you multi-vendor affiliate website, everything you need it. And if you guys need anything else, make sure to comment again in the comment section below and let me know. If that is possible, I'll try my best to make a video on that. And by the way, I'm also making a video on how to convert your website, whatever kind of website, WordPress website you have, into an Android app, and I'll link that video maybe in the video description below. If you don't find it, that video will already be there on my channel, so you can check out there also. Okay, thanks a lot for watching guys. See you again.